We can't wait for you all to meet Maxwell. He's a sophomore from Forney, Texas, majoring in music education and performance. He's going to tell us about the thriving art scene at UT Tyler. Take it away, Maxwell.
Thanks, Alex. And hey, everyone. I decided that I wanted to study music when I was in high school. My private lesson teacher gave me a list of schools to look at, and UT Tyler was on the list. After looking into the school, I knew that UT Tyler was the one for me. As a music student, my whole life revolves around music. I get to study it in classroom settings as well as perform in ensembles. Our choir, band, and jazz ensembles are open to all students, which is a great opportunity for everyone to experience the joy of making music. I also get to travel to local schools and observe music classes at all grade levels, which gives me inspiration to keep striving towards my goal. Besides music, UT Tyler has a number of visual arts programs as well. Whether it's painting on a canvas, sculpting with metal or clay, or creating beautiful ceramics, art students learn how to express their creativity across all different mediums. Their work is displayed throughout campus in different buildings and galleries. Fine art is a deeply personal experience, but it's meant to be shared. Music and visual arts are a mainstay on campus, bringing all different manners of students together. The Cowan Center is our premier performing arts venue. Not only does the School of Performing Arts put on our performances here, but the community around us uses it too. Guest lectures, Broadway musicals, and even the East Texas Symphony Orchestra take advantage of this wonderful auditorium. Every experience I've had at UT Tyler has truly been amazing. I've grown and learned so much. While there's still a few more years before I graduate, I'm excited to enjoy all that the university has to offer. That's all for me. Back to you, Alex.
That's amazing, Maxwell. Who knew that UT Tyler has such a flourishing music and fine arts community? Amazing. Now, we've got to catch a show at the Cowan Center. Thanks again, Maxwell.